Hi there, so in this video I'm going to reveal how you can learn how to trade options with one of the world's leading options trading experts, who is called Jeff Clark. Now Jeff Clark is a multimillionaire options trader, and he's got a very unique way and unique system of how he trades options. Now, if you want to learn how to trade options, you've basically got two ways to do it. You can just siphon through YouTube and watch dozens of YouTube videos that, might help or might not help. You can actually learn how to trade options or any sort of trading strategy that way, but it's very hit and miss. And, it's very time consuming. My preferred way of learning how to do things is to follow people and learn from people who have actually done it. Jeff Clark is one of the world's leading options traders, and he's got his own product called Jeff Clark Trader, which I'm a member of. Extremely affordable and very in-depth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what Jeff Clark Trader, Jeff Clark's product, is all about. See if it's something that might help you. So there's different parts to Jeff Clark Trader. Basically, it's Jeff Clark's resource of how to trade all sorts of different options. Now, with Jeff Clark Trader, what you've got is you've got his monthly newsletter called Jeff Clark Trader, and every month he puts out an update, revealing all sorts of different tips and strategies around about trading options. Now, one of my favorite parts of this is his special reports, where he reveals different opportunities to trade and invest with options. One of my probably my most favorite sort of plays that Jeff has found is how you can sort of play and buy and sell Bitcoin and still profit whether the price goes up and down with Bitcoin. This is brilliant. And this is Jeff's Bitcoin's 3-second challenge, how to make 10 more gains from a regular brokerage account trading Bitcoin with options. Brilliant, very unique, never seen anyone do that before. But he's got all sorts of his different reports, goes in depth of how you can trade options using various tips and strategies. So yeah, I really like his special report, especially the one about Bitcoin. Now, there's also a portfolio where he gives his latest sort of opportunities. But if you're really learning how to trade options, this is probably going to be the most helpful to you. This is basically Jeff Clark's crash course of how you can trade options using his very in-depth strategy. And there's Q&As, but he's got his options trading masterclass, which goes in depth into his different strategies of how he can trade options. Option trading lesson 1, understanding options and buying calls, selling covered calls, buying puts, selling put options, identifying and profiting off chart setups, finding profitable opportunities in the market, spotting bearish chart setups and benefiting off the downside, how to project when a stock is headed next, and his complete options trading crash course, which he gives real examples. So if you're looking to trade options, I can highly recommend Jeff Clark Trader. Now, usually Jeff Clark sells this for $199, but today you can get 90% off, and you can join Jeff Clark Trader today for only $19. And after your payment of $19, you are locked in for a whole year. It's a yearly subscription, so you're only paying $19 a year for as long as you want to, stay with Jeff Clark Trader. And also, when you join Jeff Clark Trader, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. I mean, for $19, it's a no-brainer because you got so much in here. And if you're looking and want to learn how to trade options, Jeff Clark Trader is the real deal. What I'm going to do, if you want to join Jeff Clark Trader, I'm going to put the link down in the description. You can, and with the link, just follow through, make your payment, and you'll be locked into Jeff Clark Trader. And this is going to be your member zone. You can start devouring all of the different things you get with Jeff Clark Trader. Anyway, hope you found this useful and hope you find this a reliable source when you're looking to learn how to trade options. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.